You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word correctly. There are two slightly different pronunciations, British English and American English. So let's get through how to pronounce this word. In British English, the pronunciation is as stubborn, stubborn. Stress on the first syllable, stubborn. In American English, however, this word is usually said as stubborn, stubborn, stubborn or stubborn. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.